Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Libra, Air sign. This is March weekly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Libra, Air sign. What are the messages for Libra? Five of Swords, the Moon and Temperance. The Star. Queen of Swords and Death. Strength under the deck. So you will stand by your power in near future and you are taking your power back. You are taking your control back and see how you will be in near future. It is very, very positive energy. You will be grounded. Seven of Swords energy. I think someone is very sneaky in your connection. Maybe it could be your person. You came to know about the truth about this person for some. But you overcome from this pain because your person cheated you, lied to you something. But you are no more dependent on anyone. You are stand by your power. So let's see your reading. Libra. Recent past, Five of Swords, the Moon and Temperance. Definitely your person hiding something from you. There is something mysterious in this connection. Because Five of Swords, here Seven of Swords. They're sneaky. They're playing games with you. Maybe your person is player type energy. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, especially Sagittarius also. But you stand by your power because Temperance is here. You stand by your power. You are patiently waiting. You're patiently observing everything, what they do, what they are doing and everything. There is something mysterious. There are some disturbances, misunderstandings in past Libra. Then present, the Star, Queen of Swords and Death. Maybe you decided to cut off from your life because they are sneaky. Maybe they are hiding something from you, Libra. You are undergoing some transformation and the Star. But some positive shifts are coming in your life. There is something positive is coming and you will see in near future that positive thing. And future, Four of Wands, Wheel of Fortune, King of Pentacles. See, someone is coming towards you to offer this connection. It could be new person or past person depending upon your situation. But I think you more concentrating on your career to get financially stabilized and abundance. You're concentrating on financial stability, Libra, and definitely things are turning out into your favor. Wheel of Fortune is here, everything in divine timing. Your patience definitely will pay off to you. And Four of Wands, there are some celebrations in near future. For some it could be twin flame connection also, 11 and 11. Definitely there is some positive news and positive shifts is coming in your life. I think for some it could be a past person or new person depending upon a situation. But there are something positive is coming. In relationship also there is some stability is coming. Okay guys. So the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, especially Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius or Scorpio. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Temperance. See, there is some patient. I think there is some waiting game going between you and your person. Strong Sagittarius here. One person is Sagittarius in this connection could be. Patience is the key in this connection. So Libra, let's see your person current feelings. Five of Swords again. I think they hurt you in past. Now they're feeling regret. That's why they want to take things to next level. But they're in very slow moving energy. The Chariot. But still there is some movement. And Nine of Swords energy, they're thinking about you, they're missing you so much, especially when they are alone. They're getting a lot of thoughts regarding you. Maybe what they did to you, that creates so much regret in them and pain, maybe guilty, that type of energy. And Ace of Pentacles, they really want to offer stability and long-term commitment to this connection. So let's see the near future actions towards you, Libra. Page of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, it's your person. Wow, Wheel of Fortune. I think divine timing, Page of Swords. Yeah, communication is coming, Page of Pentacles. Maybe they're spying on you on social media, how to approach you. King of Pentacles, they're ready to offer stability. Commitment is coming. You will be in a committed relationship, Libra. But in divine timing, Wheel of Fortune, 2 times Wheel of Fortune came in this reading. Definitely you will be in a committed relationship and your person really want to offer commitment because Ace of Pentacles with a Wheel of Fortune. Yeah, long-term commitment is coming. And some communication also. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Cancer, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. Wow. Wow. See, I think this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries, or states. The Sun with the World card. For some, the same cycle repeating between you and your person again. And the Sun, you are their happiness. Definitely they are seeing this relationship in a very positive way and they want to be with you forever. You will be in a commit. They want to commit to you. They want to be with you. But right now your person may be in 4 of Swords energy. One person in this connection, no contact situation. Because I think it's your person undergoing some healing and meditation, doing Ace of Wands. There is a lot of passion and they are very attracted to you. For some, very few no contact situation, definitely they will send some message. They're ready to offer commitment. Because they're missing you so much. Libra. But you also thinking about them, but you're guarded up right now. And Nine of Pentacles, you are investing energy on yourself. You are concentrating on your abundance and you will achieve financial abundance in your future. Wow, very beautiful energy, Libra, you are in. You are waiting for them to come towards you. Yeah, see, long-term commitment, mutual card, Ace of Pentacles. Definitely this relationship is going to be next level. You will be in a committed relationship, Libra. Don't worry, definitely your person will make a move. Everything in divine timing, Wheel of Fortune is here. And again here, lot of earth energy. Your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. See, under the deck, the Fool with Ace of Pentacles, new beginnings. And you both, I think your person want to take leap of faith. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Libra. Three of Swords. Even though you are not showing your feelings, you also heartbroken and you stand by your power, very grounded. Your wishes are going to be granted. Yeah, maybe you both are not talking with each other. You also undergoing some meditation. You also want to heal yourself from this heartbreak. But there is reconciliation is coming, but in divine timing. Let's see your person overall energy for the week, Libra. Ace of Cups, their love towards you is overflowing. Six of Cups, you both could be soulmates and past life connection with each other and they're thinking about you a lot. Two of Pentacles, juggling, and Nine of Cups. You both, I think maybe in past they are juggling, but now they got clarity. They are wishing for this connection. They want to be with you, and they want to commit to you. So let's see some message from Moon Oracle deck for you, Libra. Commitment is coming. You are their happiness. They're realizing you both. Don't let your past hold you back. So if you are holding any past issues. Maybe you're thinking about some past issues or whatever. Don't let your past hold you back. Don't think about, because past is past. Be in present moment and bring love into the situation under the deck. So definitely, if your person is approaching you, then talk with them love. Okay, give love and take love. I think when there is equal give and take, that relationship is in balance. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.